Mpumelelo, he doesn't respect anyone. Uyafana nosiyacela laphana kusencane lengane. Guys, if you still remember on Msamseleko's 50th birthday, Uthando Nesithembu season 8, guys, Mpumelelo, he was addressing issues that has nothing to do with him. Wathi yena ulibhubezi laseMzumbe. There are things he doesn't like elana emzini kwaMseleko, guys. And uMacele, she was like, no, ulibhubezi emzini kaMayeni, uyingane yakaMayeni, not emzini wami. So uMangabe, she was like, wamabhubezi mina ngikwazi. UMakesh was very disappointed by Mpumelelo's speech. As uMayeni, guys, Nkosi yami, she was very embarrassed. Like he did say ukuthi if anything happened to him, Mpumelelo, he doesn't respect his wives, guys, nje akababoni amakhosikazi yakababamseleko, guys. Yesterday, Libubesi laseMzumbe, he was blaming uMacele what happened between him and Lwandle, firstborn yakaMacele, guys. If you still remember, for those who've been following Mpumelelo and Lwandle, guys, honestly speaking, the way Mpumelelo was treating uLwandle as if uLwandle uye ice boy, and the personality yakalwandle, guys, it doesn't match noMpumelelo, guys. Akathandi ukukhuluma uLwandle, Nkosi yami. He will put him in situation, you know, you can tell ukuthi uLwandle, man, he's forced to be here. Akayithandi ukuba duze naMpumelelo, guys. Yes, sometimes you can be siblings, but if you guys do not, you know, you don't match your energy, you can tell ukuthi these people, they are just pretending. But when it comes to Abongwe, uLwandle, he's very free, guys. He's enjoying. I've seen him with the Abongwe, guys. You know, uLwandle nje, you know, only a few people can understand him. And uMacele, probably she was doing that to protect ingane yakhe uLwandle, guys. You know, she knew very well ukuthi if Mpumelelo and Lwandle, they do business together, it might happen that Mpumelelo, he will own 80% base uLwandle yena Nkosi yami, he owns 20%. Siyamazi phela uMpumelelo, guys. Hey, that boy, he is very smart, trust me and believe. So guys, the people are saying ukuthi yo, I blame uMacele for dividing uLwandle and Mpumelelo, guys. uLwandle nje Nkosi yami akayiqalile izinto zakhe ayedwa ahlukana noMpumelelo. Yes, we do understand ukuthi uMacele, maybe, you know, she might be wrong, but she was doing it to protect her ingane yakhe. So anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.